Okay. Thank you.
All rise. Good morning.
Good morning.
Please mute your telephones.
No English. No English.
The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, or hoodies. Please do not interrupt the judge while he's talking. When he wants you to speak, he will prompt you. Court is in session. You may be seated. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. On that iPhone, can you unmute yourself? I'm sending you the prompt. You're the only one that's getting the prompt. iPhone, unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please.
Al Lundy.
No, you're not getting the prompt, Mr. Lundy. I'm speaking, the only one that's getting the prompt. Well, there it is. Oh, sir, with the hat on, what's your name? Take your hat off, please. Take your hat off, please.
This hat?
Yes, sir, you take your hat off. What's your name? Good morning to you.
My name is Nabil Gasuda. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Say that again.
Nabil Gasuda.
Do you have a case number?
Yes.
Give me 1 second. All right, what's the case number?
1 second. I got a couple of them actually. My lawyer should be here.
Just give me one case number, please.
Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm gonna go grab it from the car. Okay.
All right.
Ms. Mathis, good morning. Make it a docket when you get an opportunity.
Sure can.
Thank you.
All right, let's get going. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Keely Nicole Leonard, case number SP 1783956. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Is this matter set for this matter set for trial? I'm sorry, Mr. Leonard, I'm gonna pass the matter. Do you have an appointed attorney?
A court-appointed attorney, yes.
And who was that?
They did not give me his name, actually.
Let's pass the matter. I'm gonna give everybody that's here set for trial, I'm gonna give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30. If the officer appears, then we'll get you in the breakout room and speak to the counsel. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here. Okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, sir, with the case number, please.
SP 17.
Not yours.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Gentleman on the iPhone we're trying to identify. I put up, you have to unmute yourself, sir.
SP 15196721.
SP 15196721.
Yes, correct.
Nabil Shada.
Gasuda, yeah.
Rashada, okay, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Okay, no problem, Council.
City of Detroit versus Roy Stanley Gooley Jr., case number SP 174-00451. Appear, may state your name for the record, please.
Roy Goley Jr.
Good morning to you, Mr. Golden, and I'm not guilty plea on your behalf, you a $0 bond. You never paid, sir.
Yes, sir. I paid last week. I apologize for being a little late. I was off with my the time that you giving me.
Hold on. Let me stop you. I don't see that it's been paid. So I don't see that it's been the 240. It's not in the system that's being paid.
I thought I was to pay the 160. I had took a plea deal and they dismissed the 2 speeding tickets. You told me not to get a speeding ticket no more in Detroit, and you didn't fine me for those 2 speeding tickets. So I was to pay the park in the dark. That was 164, I believe, or 160.
Park in the dark was 240.
Oh, so I must have paid. I must have paid something. I didn't. Well, excuse me, sir. I paid the wrong ticket then, sir. I did pay something last week for 160. I was under the impression that was the park at the dark ticket because I paid online and it was just giving me like the SP numbers, and I didn't have the documentation with me.
I see.
So I apologize for that. That's my error. If possible, could I get that? Get an email or write down the number, and I can take care of that.
All right, I'll pop it down to $75. SP 174-00451. That's the end of the dark ticket. It's gonna be $75.
Okay, so pay $75 to
I gave you credit for the 165 you paid. $75 is gonna be the remaining.
Okay, no.
When can you pay it?
When? Tomorrow.
Come back in tomorrow morning.
Okay. Say that again, sir.
Come back in tomorrow morning. Once it's paid, we can dismiss it like we said we were.
Okay. Okay. I have to no problem. I can do that.
You don't have to come back in. If it's paid, I'll see it's paid. You don't have to come back.
Okay, no problem. It's gonna be paid around 1 p.m. Is that cool, Judge?
Fine. Put on there Thursday.
Okay.
All right. All right, have a good day, Mr. Julia. Best of luck to you.
One question, sir.
Yes.
Okay, when I go to pay, or okay, are you gonna like put in there where I could just pay the 75, or do I have to just put 75 on something?
Putting it in there right now, it's gonna be 70, it should be $75.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a good day.
You as well.
Are we ready on Lanier Open Street? Kimberly Gunn.
Yep, I'm here.
City of Detroit. Have you already talked, have you already, Dupree? So we're gonna wait on Dupree to come in here for you, okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry, Judge, did you just say my name?
Oh, you're here. City of Detroit versus Kimberly Gunn, case number SP 176883001. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Prepeed 0132 for the defendant. Your name again, please, ma'am.
Kimberly Gunn.
All right, this was assigned to you, Mr. Dupree.
Yes,
I'll put
Your
you-
Honor.
Have you spoken?
Yes, Your Honor. We're just looking to set a Zoom bench trial for this matter.
Okay, very well. The trial date will be, again, it'll be January the 5th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Gunn,
Yes.
trial January the 5th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too.
You're welcome.
Mm.
Are we ready on Otis? Samaj Otis? Ms. Davis?
We're not ready yet, Your Honor.
Uh-oh, how I get out of
I have
here?
to speak with the prosecutor.
Leave.
Okay. You want to speak to the prosecutor on all yours? Mr. Dupree, do you have any more?
I do, Judge, referral Lowry, but it's not ready. Mr. and Miss Lowry, if you could accept the prompt to the breakout room I just sent you, please.
Okay, that gets me down to Groves.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Now, is it Quenisha Groves?
Yes, yes, sir. Good
City of Detroit versus Quenisha Groves, case number SP 1766741, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Groves.
Quenisha Groves.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, Ms. Groves.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry, our license as well. Join the room, Ms. Groves, and you get the prompt and let us know what you're going to do when you come out. License is valid, Mr. Berry. Just pass the matter.
King Rose with the ceasefire.
Is Deshauna Leonard here?
Yes.
Great.
Morning to you, Mr. Wright. City of Detroit versus Deshauna Renee Leonard, case number SP 178638681. Let's see what this is. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P 72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
This for me?
Yes. State your name for the record, ma'am.
Renee Leonard.
Good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Can you run her license? Arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor. Purposes of arraignment.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Well, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Leonard, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay?
Okay.
Join the Zoom. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. iPhone I just let in the room, can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please?
My name is Mohsin Yelan.
Good morning. Do you need an interpreter?
Yeah, to Arabic.
Mohsen Gulan. Can we get an Arabic interpreter, please?
Judge,
Yes.
I'm sorry to cut in. I didn't think you were on the record. Is there any chance that the clerk could tell me what's written on the ticket for Mr. Lowry?
I'm sure. Let's see. Lowry. Oh, it's Lowry.
Lowry second trial.
No, Lowry is
The pretrial.
pretrial. On the Motorola Moto G, can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please?
Willie,
Take your hat off, sir. Good morning to you. What is your name?
Willie Grantley.
Willie Garley.
Grantley with a G.
Is it a particular ticket that you're looking for, or do you want to look at all of them?
The U ticket should be U668-44823.
Okay, I'm gonna send you a copy of it, okay?
Thank you. Does he has a lot of other tickets? Are they all like traffic?
Yes, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, look, 4 tickets on the back.
Got it.
This is from Raphael Lowry, correct?
What's that?
Raphael?
Yep. Thank you for the help.
On the Zoom user, I just let in the room. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please?
Jose Lopez de Silla.
Jose Lopez. You're not Jose Lopez Rojas, are you?
No,
You're Jose Lopez.
de Silla. SAUCILLO.
Very well. Good morning to you. Mohsen Gulan. Yeah. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Leonard. Mr. Leonard, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Ms. Leonard, I'm sorry. Ms. Leonard, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what's your plan? What would you-
Wanted to confirm that you have a valid license.
Okay, valid license. Ms. Leonard, I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. Nothing further. Have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, thank you so much. You have a good day too.
Thank you. Hardin Lee.
Say so.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I said good morning to you.
Oh, good morning. Good morning, Judge Perkins.
City of Detroit versus Hardin Edward Lee. Case numbers SP 178-43991, SP 1817017, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika
Harding
Harris
Edward Lee.
and Cherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lee.
All right, there's the date and time set for Mr. Lee on the pre-trial.
Yes, I am.
I'm gonna, there's only one count here, Ms. Harris. He's got 2 other counts of unregistered, untitled, and no insurance proof. So 3 counts untold. Purposes of arraignment on the 2 new charges.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lee, join the room, speak to Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room and pass the map. All right, Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record with Ms. Groves. Ms. Groves, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, could the court confirm Ms. Groves has a valid license?
She does.
In that regard, Your Honor, she would avail herself of the people's offer to have her enter a plea to improper plates for the no registration charge, the insurance matter, and the license matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Groves?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days? This offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
If not paid, correct?
Well, if that's just the maximum possible penalty. You understand that?
I'm confused. I'm sorry.
That's just the maximum possible penalty. I'm not gonna impose the maximum possible penalty.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Not really, but no.
All right, well, you gotta go back in the breakout room and speak to Mr. Berry again. Get her a better understanding, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, rejoin the room, Ms. Groves, and get a better understanding. Make sure you understand fully. If you have any questions about the rights, then make sure you ask Mr. Berry, okay?
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. That breakout room is still open to you, ma'am. You go down to hit the more button or something, it should pop up. Mr. Passat, good morning to you.
Good morning, y'all.
I'll make it a little easier. Who's your client?
So Judge, my client's last name is George, George.
It's
George.
Miss George, give me the Tanea.
Tanea.
Tanea?
Mm-hmm.
To you. It's the city of Detroit versus Tanea Nicole George. Case number SP 806400, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Kevin Bassan, P 71061 on behalf of Mr. Tanea George. Ms. George, state your name for the record.
Tanea George.
All right, there's the date and time set for a pre-trial. You haven't spoken to the city attorney, or do you need to speak to her, or you just want to set a trial date? What does your client want to do, Mr. Bassan?
Judge, I wanted to go ahead and set it for a trial date, and then I was going to circle back with the prosecutor about this case as well, but I want to set it for a trial date today.
Trial date is December the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Ms. George. If you don't have any further questions, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Attorney Hammond, good morning to you. Mark. Good morning, Counselor. What's your client's name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Nabil Gusada.
Okay, City of Detroit versus Nabil Gusada, case number SP 1519671. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning to you and your staff, Your Honor. Muhammad Ali Hamoud, PH 6140 on behalf of Mr. Gusada. Mr. Gusada, please tell the court your full name, please.
My name is Nabil Gusada.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, waive formal reading, stand mute as to the charge.
You know, not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. If your client has a valid license, then we can dismiss the case now. If not, what do you want to, what's your client want to do?
My client does have a valid license, Your Honor. I did see it this morning. There are also some default tickets that I filed a motion for, Your Honor. I don't know if we can do that separately, if we can maybe do them together.
I think those are long in default. Let's see. Yeah, those are too old. These tickets go back to 2022. And they're not abstractable.
That's correct, Your Honor. For purposes of today, Your Honor, if the client, if the court is unwilling to dismiss due to compliance, or if the court would like to verify that my client does have a license, but I did in fact see a license this morning.
In case dismissed, I have a valid driver's license here. I'll waive the warrant fee. Best of luck to you and your client. Have a very good rest of your day. Unless you have anything else, Mr. Ramon.
No, thank you to you and your staff, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You have a better one. Thank you.
You have a good day, Your Honor.
You too. Back on the record, Ms. Rose. Ms. Rose, you got a better understanding of what's going on now?
Yes, sir.
So you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir, I don't.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Just to pay $240 for the invalid insurance.
Nobody's offered you anything other than that?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to August 29, 2025 at around 8:51 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Seymour and Gratiot. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
I'm sorry.
Did you get stopped by the police on that date and time?
No, I was in the car accident.
All right, so the police came on the scene while you had the car, after you had the car accident?
Yes, sir.
And were you operating this motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Was that your car, this 2017 Chevrolet?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid registration for the vehicle?
I
yes,
got some Bluetooth for Android.
All right, somebody's talking in the background. You have to mute your device. Somebody asked you to produce valid registration for the vehicle?
Yes, sir. I believe so. Yes.
And you couldn't do that, could you?
I didn't have it in my glove box at the time. I had switched. I was cleaning out my car and I forgot to replace it back into my glove box.
Was it valid?
Yes, it was, but it expired. It says it expired on my birthday, 2025.
Okay. Was it past your birthday then?
I believe it was like a few days after. Yes, sir.
It was like a month after. So it wasn't valid.
No, sir.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing of improper plate. That's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. Therefore, it, like I say, it doesn't carry the points. Now dismissed upon payment. With stipulation of probable cause, Mr. Berry, I will dismiss the other matters now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $240. When can you pay it, Ms. Groves?
Honestly, I will be able to pay it after Thanksgiving.
What day? Give me a date, please.
I would say probably like December 10th, maybe before.
I'll give you to December 18th to pay it. Come back December 18th, if it's paid, we'll dismiss the case. Come back at 8:25 on December 18th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it now. If it's nothing further, have a good day. Go ahead.
Okay. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Can you please repeat the date and time?
December 18th at 8:25.
Okay. And you said I could pay it how? Can I pay it again? I'm sorry.
Any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. Or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. But you can pay it other ways. DivDat is DIV DAT.
DAT.
Yes. And there's other ways you can pay it as well. Those are just the two best ways. It goes through immediately. If it's nothing further, Ms. Groves, any other questions?
No, sir, I don't.
All right, if it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Officer, Probation Officer Bradfield, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
What is Ms. Frederick Lamb set to be discharged?
Judge, that would have been my goal. However, Mr. Lamb still has to produce proof that he's attended the Victims Impact Panel as well as the Alcohol Highway Safety class. Once he does those two classes, we have the verification in writing, we can discharge Mr. Lamb.
Okay, I haven't seen him yet this morning. I just called you in because I saw it up there. We'll pass it. If he comes in, we'll either, I understand what you need. I'll make sure that he has that. And
thank you, Judge.
After that, if we need you any further, we'll call you, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well.
Lovejoy. Antonio Lovejoy.
Yes, sir. I'm so sorry. I'm having like technical difficulties. My phone is broken.
So are you trying to tell me you can't start the camera or whatever?
Basically, yeah. And sometimes you may or may not hear me, like it goes in and out. I have to get my phone fixed.
City of Detroit versus Antonio Lovejoy, case number SP 179-29051. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lovejoy.
Antonio Lovejoy.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, let's get Mr. Lovejoy. Well, he asked, did an attorney ever contact you, sir?
No.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's get an attorney in here. Mr. We're gonna pass the matter and get you an attorney.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Mark Garcia, case number SP 134-04001. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Mark Garcia.
All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a Raymond on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client. I give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Garcia, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
All right.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. City of Detroit versus Ashante Brian Lockett. Case number SP 177-4769. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ocean, about for Mr. Lockett. Mr. Lockett, you state your full name.
Ashanti Lockett.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
He's respectfully requesting a bench trial date.
All right, well, bench trial date is going to be December the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Mark, if you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of the day.
What time you say, Your Honor?
At 9 a.m. morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Judge. Good morning, Madam Clerk.
Thank you very much.
All right, very much, brother. Have a good day.
You too as well.
You ready on anybody else, Mr. Ogletree?
I'm also ready on Raymond Lanier.
City of Detroit versus Raymond Tyrone Lanier Jr., case number SP 1744-1941. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ocean, on behalf of Mr. Raymond Lanier. Do you state your full name, sir?
Raymond Tyrone Lanier Jr.
Good morning to you, sir. There's the time set for a pre-trial. Yes, what does Mr. Lanier want to do?
He's requesting a bench trial date.
All right, trial date, December the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lanier, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
December 12th?
December 12th.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor. This is Mr. Lovejoy. I'm so sorry to interrupt. I just wanted to know, am I waiting for someone or am I free to go?
You're waiting on a lawyer, your lawyer that you requested last time.
Okay.
Ms. Cox, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. We're going to wait on Mr. Berry or Ms. Harris to come out for Mr. Luis Lopez Rojas.
Okay.
Anybody else? Attorney, ready? No. Morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. You have
How you doing, Judge?
Good to see you. Ms. Davis,
Yes, Your Honor.
ready on anyone?
No, Your Honor, I'm still waiting on the prosecutor.
I saw Green said trial. Oh, they're just listed. Okay, very well. Go ahead. I'm sorry to pull you up.
Okay.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Is she with you? Okay, very well. Good morning to you. All right, we're waiting on the lawyer.
Kimberly,
Excuse me.
Ms. Lewis, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge Perkins. Do I have a court date today?
I don't know, do you?
I had at 8:30. I'm gonna make sure I'm in the right room.
Matthew Dupree, I love you.
You're finna go out too. Let me see the charge. The belt.
Matthew Dupree,
Show down this something.
all right, Ms.
I'm
Lewis, you
finna
got
go
me.
dead.
All right, Matthew Dupree is your counsel, Lovejoy, so I'll let you speak to him in a minute. Frederick Lamb.
Yes, Judge.
Morning to you. Mr. Bradfield, probation officer Bradfield indicated that you needed to complete two courses that he hasn't had no verification that you completed two things.
I still have, I have the math class this Saturday on Zoom at I think at 10 o'clock.
And then what is about the other one? He mentioned two.
The other one, he should have, I did the other one like last year. Down at,
You need to talk.
Yes, I can talk to him.
All right, call them up. I'm gonna let you go. When are you gonna, when are we gonna do this 2 courses? When's that one is this week? Let's get you back on Monday then.
Not a problem.
Monday. Come back on the 24th. And then you have the new two new cases.
2 new cases.
Well, I don't know how new they are. The failure to stop and drive my license, suspended repeat offender.
Okay. I
We'll deal
know
with
what those are.
We'll deal with it on Monday. Best of luck to you.
Same to you, Judge. Have a good weekend.
You're better. You have it all together, Mr. Judson?
I'm sorry, Jeff.
It's all together?
Waiting on this one to follow up, which he asked very well on the case. Thank you. You will.
Mr. Dupree, I have Lovejoy here. You've been appointed to his case.
Yes, Judge.
You already know that?
I did, Judge. And if the court wants to throw him into a breakout room, I can jump in with him.
Go to 5, please.
No, it's just next right now.
No, this
Okay. What about you? Not this day, yesterday.
Bless you.
Well, you better go get snapped.
The officer show, J. Bradford officer show.
I can't confirm that one. I haven't seen him.
Warren, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Officer, that's cut off for officer there. The officer, Bradfield show for this, case.
I'm not sure, Your Honor. I also would like a copy of the ticket if Madam Clerk could email it to me. I did speak to Mr. Edison about it, and I just want to wrap my head around everything that's going on. And if the officer's not here, Your Honor, I'll just check on that, but I know it's cutoff time, so.
Yeah, I don't see it. All right.
And either way, Madam Clerk, could you still send me a copy of the ticket? There's some underlying other issues and another court that I just like to have that ticket for future.
Yeah, I'll get her. She's not here now. She just cut it off. Well, let's call her.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Good morning, Judge. Is it okay if I speak? This is MPO Secretary. Is it okay if I speak to the prosecutor for a second, please?
Yeah, she'll bring you in the room 1 for the officers.
Thank you.
Good morning to you. All right, let's call it City of Detroit versus Joaquin Khalil Gray. Did I get the pronunciation correct? Kahai. Sorry about that. U719-43325. Appearance for the record, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor. Good morning.
Jeffrey Edison with Mr. Kalai Joaquin Gray. Good morning.
All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a trial. I was looking at my notes to see if Officer Bradford, I have Officer Bradford that wrote the ticket, 12th precinct, badge number 697. I do not see an Officer Bradford in the room or in the breakout room. And I do not see an Officer Bradford in my notes.
He's not on sick list either.
And indicated that he's not on the sick list. Go ahead, Council.
Yeah, we would respectfully move to dismiss, Judge.
All right, motion is to
And-
dismiss this morning.
And Your Honor, just for the record, I have not spoken with Officer Bradford, nor have any reason for his non-appearance. The people cannot proceed.
Very well, case dismissed. I'll tell Miss Mathis to get you that ticket. There's nothing further. Best of luck to you, Mr. Gray, and have a very good rest of your day.
Judge
Thank
Perkins,
you, Your Honor.
Can I-
I'll go in room 4.
did you ever get a chance to view Paul's Pizza?
Paul's Pizza,
Yeah.
the pizza store.
Remember, I was in your courtroom a while
Did
ago.
I ever get a chance to go to Paul's Pizza?
Yes.
I did get a chance to go to
You did.
Paul's Pizza. And Paul's Pizza is not bad.
Okay, I wanted to point out that there's a proprietor of Umi's Comfort, which is a custom quilt shop in Detroit, and this is Mrs. Keisha Esco.
How you doing?
So if you ever get a chance to go there, she can make a custom quilt for you, as well as any alterations you may have for an additional oak.
And that's by Paul's Pizza?
No, that's at 12200 Patowski.
12200 Patowski. So he knows I try to support the city of Detroit people that are in business. So 12200 Patowski, and that's quilts, huh? Yeah. All right. Give Miss Edison to send that to me.
I will definitely do that.
All right.
That's why much respected, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Respected.
Always. I was gonna ask you, how's Africa?
Oh, it was great. The ancestors calling you.
I'm trying to get there.
I know. You'll
All
be
right.
on time. You'll be on time.
All right. Have a great one, everybody. Have a very good day. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee.
She stepped out for a second. If you want, I can have her print it for you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of improper plates with the remaining matters dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lee?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Is this your 2013 Cadillac?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
Did you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I don't.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 28th, 2025, around 7:35 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Lothrop and Grand River. Did you have occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating that 2013 Cadillac?
Yes, I was. Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce valid insurance,
Yes, he did.
and you couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
Well, it had expired at the time. And
all
Your
I-
Honor, to be frank with you.
That's all we need. That's all we need. Very well.
Okay.
I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper play, which stipulates the probable cause will dismiss the other two matters. Ms. Harris?
I'm sorry, so stipulated.
All right, $240 I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it, Mr. Lee?
I'm on a fixed income, Your Honor. So could it be like, right? I get paid every month around the end of December.
I'll give you 30 days
Oh,
to
that'd be
figure it out.
perfect.
I'll also mark
Okay,
the
that'd be
file.
perfect.
I'll also mark the file allow payment plan. Either do one of two things, either pay it by December 18th or get into the payment plan by December 18th. If you're gonna pay it, you need to pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phones, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in personal. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you're going to get into the payment plan, you're gonna have to come down to the courthouse on or before December 18th to get into the payment plan. If you don't have anything further, that's your next court date, December 18th at 8:25.
Okay.
You have any further questions, sir?
Just one, Your Honor. So if I pay it, I'll be good. No court dates or anything, correct?
You pay it, I'll dismiss the case.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Your Honor. That's good.
Best of luck to you, sir, and have a very good rest of your day.
Yes, sir. You have a blessed one.
And you too. Mrs. Cox, this is Mrs. Harris, this is Mrs. Cox, and he's the interpreter. This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Lopez Rojas, case number SP 1762133, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1762219, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Señor José López, llamaron a su caso a SP 1762219, cargos 1 y 2 y otro tiquete, y pidieron que dijeran los nombres para las escrituras. Prenda su micrófono, diga su nombre, por favor.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lopez Rojas, please state your name for the record.
La abogada Harris, representando al señor Rojas, por favor, diga su nombre para las actas, señor Rojas.
José Gregorio López Rojas.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Hoy es la fecha para una audiencia preliminar. La abogada Harris y la intérprete van a ir a un cuarto privado con usted para que la abogada le diga cuál es la oferta que le han hecho. Cuando vean la pantalla, por favor, oprima donde dice join o unirse.
Unirse.
I want to let me out.
I'm putting you out. Have some snacks if you want some. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, how you doing, Officer Ozzie?
Good morning, sir. This is Officer Ossie. I was wondering if I can be placed in breakout room. I was in Judge Wagner's courtroom with 3 other defendants. I came in earlier. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
You heard that?
Just said it is for my day.
No, he did not.
I'm not getting in that.
I can guarantee.
That's not for you.
He said, not for your death. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Hey,
Judge, can you hear me?
None of these snacks are you gonna get. Who was that was speaking?
Darby Larkin. Judge Perkins, am I in the right courtroom? Because my sister started at 8:35, but I don't even know what I'm here for, to tell you the truth.
And you have a what?
Am I in the right room?
I don't understand what you're saying.
She's asking if she's in the correct room. And yes, Miss Larkins, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning to you. The Arabic interpreter, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amal Judat.
Okay, good morning.
Morning. You need my client name?
Busan,
Okay, what is client?
Jalan,
Yeah. Jilan Mohammed.
Gaylan Mohsen.
Gilan Mohsen.
Busan. This is for council. This is. Okay. When do you
Have a
go
great
back?
day. I just got back a week before last, so springtime, hopefully.
All right.
All right.
You're gonna make it. All right, go.
Yeah. Greetings to the family and happy holidays.
Same to you. Thank you so much. Somebody else wanted their attention. Oh, send this form copy of that. It would be great if you just send us. All right, we ready on Garcia, Mr. Barry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Per the prosecutor, Your Honor, the matters to be dismissed.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case. Mr. Garcia, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. I'll wait for warrant fee. Best of luck to you.
Wait, so excuse me, I don't have to pay anything, or I'm the warrant's clear?
No. Yeah, everything's clear. Be safe.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All right, this Mr. Madam Interpreter, can you, we're going to go ahead. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes,
And,
Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Amal Juda.
All right, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Your Honor, it's Arabic, not Spanish.
Strike that. Do you swear or affirm that you'll interpret from, to the best of your ability, from Arabic to English and English to Arabic?
Yes.
Very well.
And Judge, court reported
Yeah.
like spelling of the interpreter's name.
Sure. My first name Amal, Amal, and last name Judat, Joudatt.
Joudatt.
Correct.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Musa Mohammed Jalan. Case number SP 1786726, counts 1 and counts 2.
Okay.
SP 103454, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Mohsen Gaylan.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
هذا اسمه اللي هو المقرر انه يكون بالنيابة عنك محامي.
For purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
راح يبقى انه الموكل راح يبقى صامت ما راح يحكي.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond.
انه الموكلك انه راح يبقى صامت وغير متهم، وهذا الشيء راح يخلي انه عنده صفر كفالة لا يدفع شيء.
Mr. Galan, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Mr. Galan, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer.
What breakout room? I didn't join yet, Your Honor.
The interpreter, you have to interpret that, please.
راح نخليك بغرفة مع المحامي حتى نناقش القضية.
If you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
في حالة انه المحامي راح يعطي لك حل، في حالة انه انت ما حبيت هذا الحل او ما طمنك تقدر انه تخلي القضية في محاكمة اخرى.
Okay. All right, join breakout room 2 and let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
راح ندخل مع المحامي نحن الثلاثة مشان اترجم لك شو يقول. في حالة حبيت العرض وافق، ما حبيت راح نبلغ القاضي انت شو.
He's in there.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter.
Okay, I didn't get the invitation for breakout room.
You did. You went in there. It's already open. And it's always open to you, so you can go back and forth. If you hit the bottom of the screen, the more button or something like that, I'll make it a little easier. I'll move you from one to the other.
Please, okay, thank you.
Lean Tech, can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name? Good morning to you. Wing Tech, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Roger William Lewis.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lewis.
He's taken.
I don't mind taking them. Just take a couple of them down. 10.
You're supposed to be here at 1:30, Mr. Lewis.
Okay.
If we want, we can probably get you an offer out, but you'll be waiting.
Okay. No problem.
All right, sit tight.
Yes, sir.
1:30, Roger William Lewis.
Your Honor, this is Antonio Lovejoy. I'm not rushing at no point in time. I do have to get to work, and the attorney.
All right, well, I can't help you any better, Mr. Lovejoy. Everybody's got to do something. I put, I'm waiting on your attorney, okay?
I mean, I don't want to hang up.
Well, listen, you have to do what you have to do, I guess.
Is he gonna call back?
He's in there trying to work out a deal for you, or trying to talk about your case, all right?
Okay.
So you're gonna have to sit tight. Are you ready, Ogletree?
I'm ready on the last case. Hope Lynch.
Hope Lynch, sorry. City of Detroit versus Hope Maxine Lynch. Case number V14002025, V14002125. Appearance for the record, please.
Hearing no return by from Ms. Hope Lynch. Ms. Lynch, can you state your full name?
Hope Maxine Lynch.
Yes, Your Honor. This is a pretrial. There's a resolution. She's gonna plead to no contest for civil liability reasons. For the dog nuisance, there's gonna be a 12-month delayed sentence, and the other charge is gonna be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Lynch?
Yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is this might be a 90-day misdemeanor, 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
I do.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, you did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
So I didn't hear that.
I said yes, sir.
All right, has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
You're breaking up, I'm sorry. I'm gonna turn your camera off, maybe it may help the transmission. Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record? Hello. Anyone else, Mr. Ogletree? Let's pass that matter.
No, that's the only one.
That's your last one?
Yes.
All right. What about Miss Davis? She's still there? Okay. Well, we'll wait on Miss Lynch to see if she can get reconnected. This one. Oh, she's in. Elijah Granum. He's supposed to be here the other day, right?
Hello.
Weren't you? You were supposed to be here the other day.
Huh?
Did you show up the other day or not?
Yeah, I showed up yesterday.
So
Yeah,
what
this is my
happened?
case, Your Honor. Yesterday, this is the one he was given hired and told to pay by today.
Oh, very well. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
All right, that's it. It's closed. This is closed out. Be safe, Mr. Brown.
All right.
So it's already. There's two of them. See? Dismiss both.
Yes.
All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer.
Good morning. You have a court date now?
Yes, I'm on site. Stephanie and her talking just some water.
Might have been somebody. Maybe it was something from community service.
They didn't have any water over there in another courtroom?
They have water?
I guess, I don't know, my head just, I just need someone, I done had 2 cups of water.
Whose courtroom are you in?
I'm sitting outside, it's, my house, the house that I live in is foreclosure, I guess, whatever.
Well, in the landlord tenant.
Mhm. Thank you.
Well,
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
I believe I was one of the people whose officer was supposed to show by 9:30. Did he show? I didn't mean to interrupt.
Yes, you did. That's exactly what you meant to do, right? What is your name, ma'am?
Kylie Leonard.
Yeah, he's here.
Okay, thank you.
drop the porch out, so not my porch.
Hello.
Hi, phone. Good morning to you, ma'am. Oh, but she's not connected, sorry.
Hear me now?
All right, on the iPhone, is that, oh, that's Ms. Hope Lynch again, right? I'm gonna try to stop your camera
Yes.
to see if that helps. All right.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lynch. Ms. Lynch, you understand that maximum possible penalty is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines, is that correct?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial, you're correct?
Yes.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anyone offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 11th, 2025, around 6:30 p.m. in the city of Detroit on LaSure Street. Did you happen to own some dogs on that date and that time?
Your Honor, she's still on no contest. Okay.
Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that no contest plea on your client's behalf?
Yes.
That no contest plea is, from my understanding, for civil liability?
Yes.
And you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes.
All right, 12-month delayed sentence, I'm gonna fine you $240. Your next court date is gonna be November the 19th, 2026 at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Don't allow the dog to get any other issues like this, any more dog issues. On November the 19th, 2026, we'll dismiss the case. Okay, as long as you don't get any other issues. Yes.
Yeah, she just wants to know if she can do community service. His finances are an issue at this time for her.
Well, she's got a whole year. You want you to rather do the community service? Ms. Lynch?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Would you rather do the community service? You have a whole year to pay this.
What you're using.
It's not coming through properly.
Okay, I hear you now.
I said you can either pay it, you have the whole year to pay it, $240, or you can do 12 hours of community service. Which one would you want to do?
The community service, please.
Very well. 12 hours. I need a good phone number from you, Ms. Lynch. You can put it in the chat.
I'll put it in the chat, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, put it in the chat. Ms. Lynch, I'm going to give you the number referred to community service. I'm going to give you the number to community service coordinator. You shouldn't have to call her though. She should call you. But if you don't hear from her, you can use that number, or you can come back to the court and we can help you facilitate and get in contact with her. I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be the community service coordinator, and I'm marking 12 hours of community service. Your return date is still going to be November 19th, 2026 at 8:25. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lynch, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
I put her phone number in the chat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have
Have a good day.
as well.
You as well, thank you. You done, Mr. Overstreet?
Yes, have a good day.
Have a better one.
Bye.
Get Ms. Horn on the phone. We need her. All right. On the Zoom user, I just let in the room. What is your name, please?
Yes, sir. My name is Lloyd Rooks.
Lloyd Rooks?
Yes, sir. I do apologize in advance, Your Honor. I don't know if I may be in the right courtroom. I was trying to find which judge I report to. I do apologize.
Do you have a case number?
Can I get it in person with
No, sir, I do not.
or Kennedy?
Brooks, R-O-C-K,
ROOKS.
R-O-O-K-S.
Yes, sir.
And Lloyd,
Yes, sir. LLOYD.
you're supposed to be downstairs in 218, pre-hearing. Is that 360-218-0000? I believe the Zoom ID is 360-218-0000.
316, 218.
218, 360-218-0000.
All right.
I don't know, I'm guessing that that's the Zoom ID, I don't know for sure.
All right. Thank you very much, Judge.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
Did you text us? Someone?
How you doing, Judge?
Very well, good morning to you.
Good morning. I'm just trying to verify I'm in the right courtroom.
You are.
Okay. Thank you.
Well, Okay, on the telephone, I just let in the room. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Billy Obeng.
Say that again.
Billy Obeng.
Obeng?
Obeng, yeah. Obeng.
Obeng, I see. I see. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Mr. Judge Perkins.
Yeah. My ex-wife aunt just passed. My ex-wife's aunt.
Sorry. My sixth grade teacher passed away. She was like 105.
Wow, 105?
Yeah, she was all. She used to get at us too. She used to be a pattern in the school.
What school did you go to?
I went to Hampton Elementary Junior High School.
I'll never forget my fourth grade teacher, Miss Jones.
Me either. Miss Dudley was mine. She was.
Her and her husband both worked there, Mr. and Mrs. Jones.
Try to find one of these kids today and see
Wow. I told her, she called me when I got appointed to the bench, right? And she was talking to me, she was asking me, did I know, remember this person, that person, tell me. How can you remember all that shit? She said, my mind is still good, baby, my body just. I told her, I said, remember the time you used to tell us, and she says, yeah, I got out just in time. I said, what you couldn't, they wouldn't go for that stuff now.
What's wrong with some of these kids?
They used to get hit with the pointers, with the chalkboard pointers.
I ain't never know. I got paddled a couple times in the gym.
Yeah, we got the paddle and the pointers.
That so bad.
Miss Jones was like, you know, I'm not calling your mother. It's been over. Mom didn't do it, Miss Jones. Bend over, Wilson.
Oh, she just had 94 lives.
Oh, no.
It's 100 is a blessing.
103, she had to be like 104 at least.
Wow.
She was 100 when I was.
She was still living in her house and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
She was so cute though. She was.
All right, Mr. Barrett.
So soft and white. He's so cute.
Right. Well, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Señor López, vamos a volver a llamar a su caso. Señor López, le di una oportunidad de hablar con el abogado. Señorita abogado, ¿cómo vamos a proceder? ¿Qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility per the recommendation.
Su honoría, mi cliente va a aceptar responsabilidad tal como le han hecho la oferta.
That would be improper equipment as charged.
Y eso sería el equipo inapropiado tal como es el cargo.
And the failing to stop would be amended to limited access 1 to 5 over.
Y el que falló en parar sería rebajado a lo que se llama acceso limitado de 1 a 5 más.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lopez?
Señor López, ¿usted quiere aceptar esa oferta?
Sí, acepto.
Yes, I accept.
I stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
Usted, abogada, te admite que el resto de los cargos son como están escritos.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, su honoría.
Stipulate the probable cause of dismissal of the other matter.
Estipula causa probable y entonces se desestiman los demás cargos.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así estipulo, su honoría.
I'm gonna find your client responsible as charged in the amended count, as charged, start that, to improper equipment, $120.
Entonces yo lo voy a encontrar responsable del cargo como se lo pusieron de equipo inapropiado.
And limited access 1 to 5 amended from failure to stop, $125.
Al acceso limitado, que es el cargo rebajado de que falló en pararse. Él dijo cuánto era, le voy a preguntar. Your Honor, I did not catch the two amounts. This is the interpreter.
120 for the improper equipment, 125 for the limited access.
Ok, son 120 por el equipo inapropiado y 125 por el cargo rebajado de que llaman acceso limitado 1 a 5.
When can you pay, Mr. Lopez?
¿Cuánto puede pagar, señor López?
O sea, los dos. No hay problema, puedo pagar los dos.
So both of them, that is not a problem. I can pay both of them.
When can you pay it?
¿Cuándo puede pagar?
Cuando el sábado que viene, no este, sino el otro, por favor.
When, not this next Saturday, not this Saturday, next Saturday, please.
I pay it by December the 5th. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If it's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Ok, tiene que pagarlo entonces hasta antes o el 5 de diciembre. El juez le aconseja las mejores maneras de pagar son dos. Uno es lo que se llama unos kioscos que están alrededor de la ciudad que se llaman DivDat, o si usted puede poner ese app en su teléfono, puede pagar por ahí o puede presentarse en persona en la corte y pagar por la ventanilla del cajero. Si no tiene ninguna otra pregunta, si no hay más nada, entonces terminamos por hoy, se puede desconectar.
Perdón, para cualquier tienda, me dice, por favor.
So you said whichever store?
No, either the DivDat kiosk or come in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
No, son los kioscos que se llaman DivDat, que hay en varias tiendas por alrededor de Detroit, o presentarse en persona. Esas son las dos mejores maneras de pagar.
Antes del 5 de diciembre.
Before December 5th?
Yes.
Sí.
Ok, muchísimas gracias.
Okay,
entonces serían 120 y 125, un total de...
So 120 and 125, how will it be in total?
Add it up.
Puede sumarlo.
245, sí.
245, right?
That's what my calculation is.
Eso es lo que yo calculo.
Ok.
Okay.
Have a great day, sir.
Que tenga un buen día.
Gracias, muy amable.
Thank you, very kind. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you, Harris.
Thank you so much. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Cortez Lamont Lewis, case number SP 1788626, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cortez Lewis.
Chair Harris on behalf of Mr. Lewis.
All right, good morning to you. Day, date, time set for a pretrial. No, there's not been a request for an attorney, Ms. Harris. Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Are we ready on Galen?
Ready, Your Honor. Ready.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jalen. Mr. Jalen, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
سيد جيلان يقول انك صار عندك الفرصة المتاحة، حكيت مع المحامي مش هيك؟
Yeah.
Yes.
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to the possession of oxide on the basis of a 6-month delayed sentence. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
يقول انه وافقت على انه تدفع الغرامة المالية والباقي القضايا هي غير يعني مسقطة، ما بها اي عقوبة، بس مجرد تدفع الغرامة المالية، وانت وافقت على هذا الشيء.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna test your client for this stuff. If he's still using, or if he is using this stuff, then I'm gonna send him to drug court if he doesn't pass these tests.
يقول انه بده يبعثك القاضي محل مشان تعمل الفحص ونشوف انه انت ما قمت بهذا العمل مرة اخرى.
Okay.
You want to take the deal, sir? It's going to be $240 fine. It'll be testing twice monthly, and it will be 6-month delayed sentence.
اوكي، راح تدفع الغرامة حقها $240، وكمان تروح على الفحص كل شهر مرتين، تعمل هذا الفحص لمدة 6 شهور. موافق؟
Yeah, بس وين نسوي الفحص أنا؟
I agree, but where should I do the test?
You're going to do the test down here at the court, or we'll get you in touch with probation, and they can get you.
من المحكمة هنا عندنا قسم خاص للفحص، بدك تنزل على الفحص وتشوف انه اليوم مع قسم الرقابة ايضا.
كيف بدي أحصل على الأدرس؟ هم راح يتصلوا فيني يعطوني ولا؟
تروح على المحكمة. Do you have the address for the court?
Yeah, they'll get you in touch with when you talk to probation.
لما تروح على البروبيشن هم راح يعطوا لك كل المعلومات.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yeah.
موافق؟ Yes.
Raise your right hand, please.
ارفع يدك اليمين للقسم.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
هل تقسم أن تقول الحقيقة كاملة ولا شيء غير الحقيقة؟
Yes, I do.
And down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines.
هذه القضية عقوبتها تقريبا 93 يوم بالحبس، واحتمال مبلغ قدرها مالي $5000 في هذه القضية.
Okay.
You have to answer yes or no, sir.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
أنت تعرف أنه عندك حق من حقوقك أنه تؤجل هذه القضية إلى المحاكمة، تعرف هذا الشيء؟ مثل حقوقك قد قمنا بها. احكي نعم أو لا.
Okay. نعم.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
هو قام بمراجعة الحقوق وإحنا قمنا بشرحها لك. هل قام بهذا الشيء؟
نعم.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
فهمت كل حقوقك؟
Yes.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
في عندك أي سؤال لهذه الحقوق؟
No.
No.
You know by taking the deal you're going to give those rights up?
في حالة موافقتك على هذا العرض ما عندك حق في الطعن، فهم هذا الشيء؟
نعم.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
في حدا خلاك تعمل هذا الشيء؟ لو ما.
No.
No.
5/18/2026.
All right, let me draw your attention back to September the 8th, 2025 at around 2:35 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of St. Lawrence and McGraw Street. Did you have contact with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
نرجع لذاكرتك يوم شهر سبتمبر، كانت هناك الساعة تقريبا حوالي الظهرا، ساعة 2:30 ظهرا. كنت في مدينة ديترويت شارع الوسط. تتذكر أنه القامة الشرطة القبض عليك هناك؟ كان في عندك اتصال مع الشرطة؟
لما أخذوني.
Yes, when they arrested me.
لما أعطوني ticket.
When they gave me a ticket.
And were you in possession of this nitrous oxide?
كنت في حالة إنه ماخذ هذا البروكسايد كنت لازمة في يدك؟ كنت متلبس يعني؟
يا كانت معي.
بجاوب نعم أو لا.
نعم.
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna find you guilty as charged, $240 is the fine. It'll be a 6-month delayed sentence.
$240 حق الغرامة ومدة 6 شهور العقوبة لأنه مثل للفحص.
With stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
في حالة إنه عدم وجودك أو عدم تعرضك لغرامة أخرى أو قضية أخرى.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I need a good phone number from you, sir.
أعطي رقم تليفونك.
313 456 5086.
All right, I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls could be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by a week or so, strike that. One of those calls should be that probation department.
هذا الرقم راح يتصلون على هذا الرقم اللي أنت زودتنا إياه، راح يحكون معك من قسم الرقابة، بدنا تجاوب أوكي، حتى هو راح يقول لك بالتمام شو تعمل. تمام؟
راح يعطيني رقم؟
هم راح يتصلوا فيك.
Okay.
What did he say?
He say they gonna call me or I'm gonna call them.
Okay, they're gonna call you.
Yeah, راح يتصلون فيك.
شو هو الرقم اللي راح يتصلوا لي منه؟
What is the phone number I'm gonna expect I receive the call from?
Well, it'll be 313-965 number.
313-965 هذا الرقم. بدايته. Okay.
And if there's a positive test, I'm going to send you to drug court. You understand me?
في حالة إنه عملوا لك الفحص وطلع الفحص مش كويس، راح يرجعك مرة ثانية على المحكمة. فاهم؟ فاهم؟
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Your review date is going to be May the 18th, 2026 at 8:25. Pay the $240 at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone.
في هاي المحاكمة القادمة إنه تكون الشهر الخامس. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Can you repeat the date for me and the time?
May 18th, 2026 at 8:25.
8:25 دقيقة May 18 سنة 2026 المحاكمة القادمة. تمام؟
Yeah, May 18.
Yes, 8:30 صباحا.
Same meeting ID number.
Is it a Zoom over Zoom? Same meeting number? نعم.
Okay.
And don't if you have an issue with probation not contacting, you can always get back in touch with the court.
في حالة لم تتوصل انه البروبيشن ما اتصل فيك، انت حاول تتصل بالمحكمة وقول انه ما اتصلوا فيه. تمام؟ Okay.
Something further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. خلصنا على اليوم. حظا موفقا. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're free to leave. All right. What happened to Raphael Laurie's file? Did she just take that file?
Yeah, she took that one.
All right, Matthew Lynn.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you say you were represented by Dupree?
I believe so, Your Honor. I have not spoke to an attorney yet.
City of Detroit versus Matthew Lynn, case number SP 1808025, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Lynn.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the Mr. Lynn.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Let's see the file. and see if did you request an attorney the last time or no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I know there was no formal request for one. You put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Harris, are we ready on your client?
Ready, Your Honor.
Who's your client?
Mr. Cortez Lewis.
Did he fall off? He fell off, it looks like. All right, let's go back on the record for Mr. Cortez Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Okay, Mr. Lewis, that's what you want to do? Mr. Lewis?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna set you a pretrial date on December the 11th, 2025 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that that appointed attorney contacts you. If that appointed attorney does not contact you by that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot that day. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney.
Yes, sir.
All right, you have any further questions, sir?
Not at all.
Wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well. Thank you.
Lackey. Demarion Lackey.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah. Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Jamarion Lackey, case number SP 17996841. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Jamarion Lackey.
Sir, today's date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, give Mr. Lackey an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Lackey, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Was there a request for an attorney, Your Honor?
On this side, I've got the file. Mr. Lackey, join the breakout room and wait on Ms. Harris. She's gonna come speak to you. If she gets you that offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. Join the room, please.
Okay.
No request for an attorney, Ms. Harris. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lynn. Mr. Lynn, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lynn?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
His number is in the chat.
All right, I'm gonna give you a pretrial date for December the 11th, 2025 at 8:30. Again, that date is set so that make sure that appointed attorney has had contact with you.
Okay.
has not contacted you by that date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Is this your number 734 ending in 0013?
Yes, sir.
All right, December the 11th. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't have
December
anything
11th,
further,
8:30.
December at 8:30. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Nicholas Legler, case number SP 177-02411, Ms. Mathis. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Legler.
Nicholas Ivan Legler.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Legler?
Legler, yeah.
Legler?
Yes.
All right, day is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Legler, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with them. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, yes, sir.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Lackley. Mr. Lackley, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lackley?
Yes.
I'm going to set a pretrial date, December the 11th, 2025. That date is set so that appointed counsel has opportunity to come to call you. Just answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date on December the 11th, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Do you have any further questions, sir?
No, sir.
If you don't have any further questions, I wish you the best of luck. That's your day, all right?
All right, thank you. You too.
This is the City of Detroit versus Val Lundy. Case number SE 1797682, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1797966, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
How you doing, y'all?
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lundy, please state your name for the record.
How you doing, Your Honor? Val Lundy.
Morning to you, Mr. Lundy. Today at date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Are we ready on anyone? Mr. Dupree, are we ready on Lovejoy?
Not quite, Judge. I've got to get them both into a breakout room, but I should have them ready in a few minutes now.
Go to breakout room 6, Mr. Lovejoy. Mr. Dupree is gonna come speak to you. Ms. Lawson, you need to put some more clothes on, ma'am. Please. Ms. Davis, are you ready? Ms. Lawson, you need to put some more clothes on.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready on all three of my matters.
Let's go on all three. City of Detroit versus Carisha Chevette Green, case numbers SP 172-77111. And she has a no proof of insurance, SP 182-06861. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Maya Davis, PA 8515, standing in for counsel of record Vasson Johnson II for Ms. Green, who's appearing via Zoom. Ms. Green, can you please state your name for the record?
Arisha Green.
Arisha, I'm sorry, ma'am. All right, there's the date and time set for trial. Did you deal with this this no insurance ticket? I don't think you did.
It wasn't a no insurance.
Are you gonna tell me, ma'am?
No.
All right, it is a no insurance. That's not for today's matter. I was asking Ms. Davis, was she able to clear both of the matters up, or did she know about the no insurance proof?
Your Honor, this is my first of hearing about the no insurance matter. I can speak with sister prosecutor to see if we can come to a resolution. I was actually going to move to dismiss the open alcohol charge. But if you'd like to recall the case.
Based on the dismissal based on no officer?
Yes, Your Honor. This matter was set for a bench trial at 9 a.m. To my understanding, Officer Harrison has not appeared, so we would be moving for a dismissal.
I'll grant that motion to dismiss. Ms. Green, do you have valid insurance?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
All right, can you show the court or go in the breakout room and show Ms. Davis?
Yes.
All right, make sure the insurance is valid, and as officer, the court will accept your representation that it's valid insurance.
Yes, sir. I'll go on, if you don't mind, I'll go in the breakout room with Ms. Green to verify her insurance.
That's what I was asking. Okay, very well. I'll take Ms. Green in the breakout room and verify the insurance. Let's pass that matter. What do you have next?
I have Samaj Otis.
City of Detroit versus Samaj Otis, case number SP 1767398, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1767461, SP 1767481. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Maya Davis, PA 8515, standing in for counsel of record Vasson Johnson II for Mr. Otis, who's appeared via Zoom. Mr. Otis, can you please turn your camera on and state your name for the record?
Samaj Otis.
Samaj Otis. Good morning to you, sir. Date, time set for a pre-trial. What's Mr. Otis want to do?
And I would like to schedule this matter for a bench trial.
Trial date, December the 12th, 2025, 9 a.m. Mr. Otis, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day.
All right.
Thank you.
Who else do you have, Ms. Davis?
I also have Mr. Galloway, Eddie Galloway.
Just made a copy of it. I'm working on it. Labeler.
City of Detroit versus Eddie Lamar Galloway, case number SP 109-14051. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, for the record, Maya Davis, PA 8515, standing in for counsel of record Vasson Johnson II for Mr. Galloway, who's appeared via Zoom. Mr. Galloway, can you please state your name for the record?
Eddie Galloway.
Good morning to you, sir. There's the time set for a pre-trial. Is this up for dismissal?
Yes, Your Honor. I did have the opportunity to speak with Madam Prosecutor, and she is willing to dismiss this matter for lack of evidence. There's no body cam footage.
I'll dismiss the case, Mr. Galloway, and I'll waive the warrant fee. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. All right, you too.
Honor.
All right, anyone else?
That's all. I'm going to speak with Ms. Green right now.
Yeah, Laurie. You didn't have Laurie?
Not to my knowledge, no.
Very well. Speak to Ms. Green and see if she has it. She's in 10.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Laurie's there. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lundy. Mr. Lundy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Actually requesting a trial date.
Trial, December the 12th, 2025, at 9 a.m. Mr. Lundy, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too, Your Honor.
Thank you. Lossing. City of Detroit versus Erica Fawn. Lossing, case numbers SP 177-24691, SP 177-2824, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lossing, please state your name for the record.
Erica Lawson, Perry.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Whaley is here. I do have a valid driver's license for Ms. Lossing. Ms. Lossing, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's go back on the record for lossing. Officer Whaley, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. I am Officer Robert Whaley, badge number 5122, Detroit Police Department.
We're working out a deal. We'll pass the matter.
Sorry, Your Honor, I couldn't hear you there.
They're working out a deal, so we'll pass the matter.
Yes, sir. The matter was in regards to, I believe, driving without a license on person,
right?
No insurance on vehicle, and also expired registration.
Ms. Horn, you already spoke with Ms. Harris regarding lossing.
I have, Your Honor, and I just want to go in and speak with the officers. And in addition to that, Your Honor, we're moving for dismissal on Legler, but I wanted to put my reasons for dismissal on the record with Mr. Berry.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Legler. Appearance for the record, Ms. Horn.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
I'm trying to pull Legler out of the breakout room.
There he is.
All right. For the purposes of this, you indicated to the court that you wanted to make a record for the dismissal for Legler. Go ahead.
That's correct, Your Honor. Thank you. Based on the face of the ticket, this ticket was written in a location on or upon, at, or near Lappin and Rex Streets in the City of Detroit. While that gives us some information about maybe where this property or is, or the dwelling is, it does not give us enough information like an address or legal description of the property to proceed forward as to identifying the owner. So the people are moving for dismissal based on the defective face of the ticket.
All right. I'm sure no objection by.
None whatsoever, Your Honor.
Case dismissed. Mr. Legler, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
And Mr. Berry, will you stipulate to probable cause?
Yes, I so stipulate, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Take it easy, Mr. Legler. Best of luck to you.
Okay, bye. Thank you, Judge.
But this is you may want to talk to Mr. Berry about this case too. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Keely Nicole Leonard. Case number SP 178-39561. Appearance for the record, please.
Am I good to go?
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Leonard. State your full name, Ms. Leonard.
Kylie Nicole Leonard.
Kylie, I'm sorry. Today's date and time set for a trial. Your officer is in the breakout room, so you can go speak with your officer, Ms. Horn. Mr. Berry, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Leonard. You have a conversation with her, and then Ms. Leonard, Mr. Berry will talk to Ms. Horn, okay? Join the room. Let us know what you want to do. Today is the date and time set for the trial. Let's pass the matter.
Oh, there it is.
If you want to speak with the officer, with Ms. Horn, Officer Whaley, you can go back and one as well, but as yours is just sort of routine stuff.
Thank you.
Mr. Dupree, are we ready on Lovejoy?
Yes, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lovejoy. Let's call it City of Detroit.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Antonio Marquis Lovejoy, case number SP 179-29051. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, P 0132 for the defendant. Your name, please, sir.
Antonio Lovejoy.
All right, there's the date and time set for a pretrial. What does Mr. Lovejoy want to do?
Just looking for a bench trial date, Judge.
All right, trial date is going to be January the 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lovejoy, have a very good day.
That's 26.
You mean 2026?
I'm sorry, yes, 2026, January 5th, 2026. I just wanted to make sure you was paying attention. Have a very good day at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you.
Okay, and that means I have to come in there, right?
No, you can zoom in.
Okay, got it. Sorry.
You're good.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day. All right, have a good day. All right, let's go call it. Are we ready on Laurie?
Yes, Judge.
City of Detroit. Wait a minute. City of Detroit versus Raphael Jermaine Lowry, case number SP 152594441, U66844823994593031. Appearance for the record, please. I think we got 257753921 as well. Appearance
Yes,
for the
Judge.
record.
Matthew Dupree, P 0132 for the defendant. Your name, please, sir.
Raphael Laurie.
We'll turn your camera on, sir. Good morning to you. Day, date, and time set for a pre-trial. What does Mr. Laurie want to do?
Judge, we've reached a proposed resolution in which the defendant would plead guilty on the U ticket, the violation of the fire ordinance. The other three matters would be dismissed upon stipulation of probable cause. We would ask the court to adopt this proposed recommendation. And I just, before doing so, Judge, I do just want to bring to the court's attention that the register of actions for the U ticket right now shows it as a violation of the firearms ordinance, but it is actually on the ticket a violation of the fire ordinance. So I would ask that as the plea is entered in the register, if that could be fixed so that it reflects the correct alleged violation. It was a bonfire situation, not a gun situation.
Now, that makes me not have to fine them $500 too, and 12-month delayed in gun safety course and community service. You want to take the deal, Mr. Laurie?
Your Honor, I just want to make sure that everything's clear. So what's the deal again? I'm sorry.
You plead as charged to the violation of the fire ordinance.
And Judge, there would be a recommendation for a 3-month delayed sentence on the fire ordinance.
3-month delayed sentence and pay the $240 fine. Don't get in any trouble like that. And fines paid, no more trouble, then we'll dismiss the case.
Okay, sounds good. I agree with you, please.
Can you adjust this register of action, Mr. Mathis? Here, it's supposed to be on this ticket.
I'm not gonna change the charge.
It needs to be
The prosecutor
adjusted.
know which charges.
Yes, that's, then somebody, the ticket is listed as an unsecured fire. And they put it in as a firearms ordinance, almost like it's just charging a firearm and they need to fix that.
The office, they need to.
Is it not possible for us to have it amended in the system? I think the correct code's on the ticket.
Because another department, like when they come in through the court, they come in through case initiation and they enter it because this is a police officer.
No, it's not, that, but they.
The police officer wrote it wrong.
No, I don't think he did.
He did?
I think the police officer wrote it right.
You can give it.
Yeah, because it's, hand me the ordinance.
Okay,
It's
let me
got,
check the
you've
ordinance.
already verified the ordinance is correct, right?
What's the U ticket?
668-448-23. I think they put it in wrong because it's under 40-1-26. Is that correct?
That's what it's on in the ticket, Judge. I don't know. I'm checking if that's the fire code. I know that's not the firearms code because I do a lot of firearms tickets. I'll check to see if that is the correct fire code.
Right. It's right here. It's 3. They did.
Yeah.
3-1.
Can you find out what 40-1-26 is?
I'm about to start looking. So you said this was a bomb fire?
Yeah, bonfire.
Yep.
Unsecured fire.
Correct. It wasn't in a fire pit.
Okay. Right garbage.
I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
Here it is, if it's correct on the ticket. Building safety engineer. Okay, so it's not right on here either. Or it's under the old code because it was an old ticket.
Okay. The court can give me wants to pass the matter. I can go try to look up the correct number for.
Do you have the correct copy of the ticket?
I do, Judge, and on the ticket, it's 40-26. You're saying that's not correct?
40-1-26 is not correct. And then that says that Building Safety Engineer and Environmental Department Business License Center to take action upon application. And then the other code that is under auction and auctioneers, it says 40-1-13 through 40-1-20. If that's a 20, but it looks like a 26 to me, then that is under auctioneers and that has been reserved. So it's not, it doesn't seem like it's written under the right code.
Give me a moment, Judge. Let me go talk to the prosecutor. We'll get an amendment, get this fixed.
Let's pass it. Let's pass it. Give me a few minutes, Mr. Lark.
And Your Honor, I'm just checking in on a case to see if a defendant checked in, Your Honor. Jayla Green at 9 a.m.
Jayla Green. No, I don't think Jayla Green has showed up.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity. Ms. Davis is what's the for Ms. Green?
Yes, Your Honor. So I did have the opportunity to review Ms. Green's proof of insurance. It does look like she's insured. The 2017 Ford that she was pulled over isn't currently insured through Cure Auto Insurance.
All right, dismiss the case, we'll provide about, now unless Ms. Green wants to come back in and go all the way through the steps again, that's what I was trying to accomplish before she told me that it wasn't a no insurance on there.
I apologize.
All right, have a very good day, Ms. Green. Best of luck to you. Case dismissed. Provide valid documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Right. Is that it?
Okay. That's all. Thank you.
All right, everybody have a very good day. Best of luck to you both.
Thank
You
you.
too. Thank you.
All right. Let's go back, well, we're waiting again.
Excuse me, Judge. Excuse me, Judge.
I
You
got
didn't
you
forget
coming
about
up.
me.
No, I
All
didn't
right.
forget. You're coming up.
Just
Gonna be
seconds.
last.
Nobody called me yet, though.
I know, you're last.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, Your Honor.
It's gonna be, Larkins up.
I'm up now? Oh,
Rattling up deck and Lopez in the hole.
okay.
And if Odin is driving a car, then I'm gonna put him out. He doesn't look like he's driving, because he's probably not gonna hold his head down that long.
Who you talking about, me?
Yeah, no, Odin.
Oh,
Your Honor, and I'm checked in.
Yes, it's Mr. Odom right here.
You are checked in.
All right, thank you.
It's Leggett, Granberry,
Yes, sir.
O'Brien, and then Lewis. Lewis, he's supposed to be at 1:30.
All right, thank you.
Well,
Like, a lot of things just fall into one, like fire.
Well,
I don't know.
I'm
if
not
that would be one
gonna,
of
I'm not
them
gonna, that's them.
To determine that, okay.
yeah, because he wrote the specific, statute that he was charging him with on the ticket. And that's up to him to get that right.
Was that a misdemeanor?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I just think it brought something out. Just-
They want to amend that, and the Laurie's all right with it, then. Where's Weston? Well, I don't know what he's gonna do.
Your Honor, another copy of a ticket, the BC ticket for Mr. Dupree.
That Leggett?
Was it?
Laurie, with the firearms thing?
Oh, yeah, I think with the ROA is wrong, with the ticket.
No, ticket says.
I got the ticket.
Appears to be kind of wrong as well too. But
Okay.
That's up to you to figure out.
You gave me I got that. I have that ticket. I got the U ticket. Nope. I got that ticket. I came and made a ticket, but I forgot it was a U ticket. When I heard the B seat, I thought it was a white ticket.
So you think that they just follow the fire ordinance?
It was a bonfire situation.
Right. Okay.
So he doesn't need a license it was just something about the risk of how the fire was going. So, but I'm gonna look at the muni code. Yeah, let me.
Like fire hazard.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking at so far. But I'm gonna see if I can find fire hazard. Fire ordinance, like you broke some ordinance because it wasn't proper setup or something.
Yeah, and I'm gonna look at it because I think it's proper notice on the ticket of what was going on, but let me just take a look,
Well, it has the code that it's written under.
40 something.
Yeah, and that has nothing to do, this code book, which was 2019, I think
Right.
that's the updated version.
That is.
It has nothing to do with that.
Okay. Let me take, I'm gonna go look at it. Let me go research it. Thank you.
Cranberry.
Hello.
Oh, good morning. You have a lot of warrants.
I wasn't aware. The guy told me when he took my truck.
Okay, so what brought you in here today? Because I don't see you have a court date, do you?
It's day Tuesday, 11/18 at 8:30 a.m.
It's 8:38 now.
Judge Perkins,
Okay, so you're Tamika Janine Granberry?
Janice, yes.
Janice Granberry. Let's see, that's why.
I was trying to talk about those warrants too, like I didn't know what that was for or whatever.
Okay. There we go. Granberry without the D. All right, let's go on the record with Ms. Lawson Perry. Ms. Lawson Perry, I've given you an opportunity. Council, what's your plan want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to expired plates with the remaining matters dismissed. We stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis, and we stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals.
All right, you want to take the deal, Ms. Lawson Perry?
Yes.
All right, stipulate, with those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible as charged to the expired plates and dismiss the other matters. $145. When can you pay it, ma'am?
Could I get to January, February to pay it, or even community service?
I'll give you 6 hours of community service. You want to do the community service?
Yes, sir.
All right, now. I'm gonna set a review date for December the 18th, 2025 at 8:25. I need a phone number from you. You can put it in the chat if you don't want to say it on Zoom.
It's 313-463-9824.
All right, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that community service coordinator. If you don't hear from that community service coordinator by next week sometime, Zoom back in. We'll get her in touch with you. Okay.
Okay.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. All right. It's the city of Detroit versus the Darmisha Larkins, case number SP 1804632, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 9586291. Appearance for the record, please.
Hey, Your Honor, Darmisha Larkin.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Ms. Larkin.
Hello, Ms. Perkins. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Purposes of show cause, and probably arraignment on the bench warrant as well, too, because of that old case.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. The Ms. Larkins, the old case is a driver while unlicensed. She does have a valid license. Ms. Larkins, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You join the room. Let us know what you want to know, please. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record. with Ms. Leonard. Ms. Leonard, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, this matter is to be dismissed.
Hey. All right. Officer Hillman was here. I'll mark that on the file. Ms. Leonard, case dismissed. Nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge. You too.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Willie Frank Bradley Jr. Case number SP 178-7197, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 178-72061. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Barry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Willie Griley.
All right, today is the date and time. Good morning to you, Mr. Brantley. Today is the date and
Good
time
morning.
set a pre-trial. There is a no valid registration that you need to add to that. Give Mr. Brantley an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Brantley, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, speak to Mr. Berry, let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right. All right.
Just pass the matter. Take the hat off. Just pass the matter. Join the room, Mr. Brantley.
Yes, sir.
Is that supposed to be cold? It's supposed to be getting ice on, right?
Ice Lord.
Let's see. The price, but I was like, it's cheap. I know, I'm the Portland.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's how.
All right, are we ready on, Laurie?
Yes, sir.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Laurie. Mr. Laurie, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel again. Counselor, what's gonna happen?
Judge, we have an amended plea deal accounting for the difficulties with the fire ticket. The new proposal would be for the defendant to plead guilty on 257753921. That's trespassing from 2025. The other three matters would be dismissed per plea, and there'd be a 6-month delayed sentence.
You wanna take the deal there, Mr. Laurie?
Yes, sir.
We already swear him in and everything? All right, Mr. Laurie, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
I'm gonna turn your camera back off, maybe that'll help. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir, I understand.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
I understand.
Mr. Dupree went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he went over everything.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor, I understand.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
You know you have a weapons charge, you have a warrant out for your arrest for?
Your Honor, when I was in the county, the last time I seen
Mr.
you,
Lowry, Mr. Lowry, Judge, I did inform him that that's there. I don't want him to say anything about that case on the record, but he is aware that exists, and I told him how to address the warrant.
Okay, are you dealing with any housing insecurity?
housing insecurity.
Yes.
Um,
Do you have
well,
a
at
place
this
to stay?
moment, I've been trying to get back on my feet ever since I spent 2 county. So it's been a little tough for me being caught outside.
Do you have a place to stay?
Well, I mean, I've been trying to rough it out a little bit, but I've been kind of enduring. I can say I have somewhere to stay, but it's not suitable.
Would you like me to get somebody in here that can potentially help you?
I mean, Your Honor, I would appreciate if I can receive some type of assistance with help. And I wanted to ask you about the warrant also. Is it possible to speak about that?
Well, it's not, your attorney already advised you on that, right? That's not my case. So
Okay, yeah.
he's trying to preserve your rights to remain silent on that.
Yes, sir, I understand.
All right, do you want somebody in here from Street Outreach Court to see if they can get you there? They do a lot with getting help to get stable housing and things like that. Would you like to speak to someone?
Well, will it be off the record? Will it be
Yes,
right now?
Be off the record. You have a private conversation with that. He's an attorney, and this is what he does for his practice, is to help and assist people get the people in stable housing and jobs and line them up with benefits and things like that.
Yes, sir.
You like to speak to him?
That would be good, Your Honor.
Great. Let me get him in here. Mr. Dupree, I'm gonna line Mr. Laurie up with Mr. Patel. That will not interfere with your action.
I don't mind if it does, Judge, if he wants to replace me on it, or I don't know how it works with the street court referral. I think once they refer that it gets reassigned for me, and I'm certainly happy to have that happen if it'll facilitate.
He's usually pretty quick, Mr. Laurie. I'll just text him. Let's see if we can get him in here and see if we can get you some help, all right?
Your Honor.
Let's pass the matter. Give me a few minutes.
Judge, do you want me to stick around just in case, or
Yeah, just give me he should be right. He should be right. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Perkins. Ms. Larkins, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client was able to present valid documentation.
All right, Ms. Larkins, I guess justice delayed is not justice denied. We're going to dismiss the case. I'll waive the warrant fee. You're going to be responsible to pay the reinstatement fee. And I see you owe 2 other civil infraction fees from a long time ago as well. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day. The misdemeanors are all dismissed.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Jose Manuel Lopez Salacio, case number SP 1782756, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Jose Lopez Sicilo.
So say that, give me the correct pronunciation of your last name. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry?
Correct pronunciation of your last name?
Salcello.
Sacello. All right, Mr. Sacello, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer to mine. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Officer Ozzie was here, he's not here now. Speak to him, Mr. Harris, and see if you can work it out or see what happens. We'll pass the lamp during the room. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grantling. Mr. Grantling, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display for the driving while unlicensed matter, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Grantling. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense of 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Can you repeat that? You're going in and out.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Barry went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room. Did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Hold on one second. Mr. Laurie, join that breakout room, please. All right, let me draw your attention back to this this guy is going to abstract on his record is going to further he's got a driving license revoked, Mr. Berry.
Huh?
We have a driving while unlicensed on the
Well,
docket.
he's right. He's got a revoked license. That's what his driving record says. So I'm just letting them know. This is going to further exacerbate that, Mr. Grantling, don't you?
Okay. Yes.
You still want to take the deal? Or you want to, Mr. Berry, did you know that when you spoke to Ms. Horn?
Well, no, I didn't know. I just have the
You want
unlicensed.
to go back and see if you can do something better for him?
Okay, because in fact, his license is
revoked.
It's revoked, okay.
Meaning that he's driving on a revoked license. I don't know what it's going to take for him to get it back, but if he gets another abstraction, then that's just going to push him back even further. I'm sure.
Give me a moment, Your Honor.
All right.
Judge, I just wanted to jump in for a moment. Mr. Patel asked me to request that no plea be put through for Mr. Oden, who's already in street court.
Okay. All right. Well, if he's gonna take care of him, then you're free to leave, Mr. Dupree. Have a good day. And
Thank you.
have a good vacation. I'm sure we'll see you before your vacation. Have a good day.
Just stepping away for 2 seconds if I can, really quickly. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Salacio. Mr. Salacio, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to the seatbelt violation with the misdemeanor matter dismissed.
Want to take the deal,
Yes, I do.
stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
With that, I'll find your client responsible for the, as charged with the seatbelt, $65. When can you pay?
Judge, can we start over?
Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Salacio. Mr. Salacio, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
My client is going to admit responsibility to the seatbelt violation with the misdemeanor matter being dismissed.
I stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Salacio?
Yes, I do.
I'll find your client responsible as charged with a seatbelt ticket, $65. When can you pay?
As soon as possible.
Make sure it gets in here by tomorrow. Pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Mr. Salacio, if there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Deshaun Oden, case number SP 18113611. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Oden, please state your name for the record.
He hasn't missed a beat. He's working. He's on his, took his break. Take your hat off. He's making money and everything.
Yes,
Take your hat.
yeah, I'm at just at work. I couldn't call off. But
Sorry,
I got
take
my
your hat off. State your name for the record.
I'm stepping. Yeah, my name is Zurich Oden. I'm stepping to another room. But I have my documents, my insurance and my registrations. I have a hold on my license. That's why I can't get them.
Mr. Oden, take your hat off, please.
1 second.
Put you in a breakout room. He's I don't know what he's talking about documents. It seems like he's in for marijuana. All right. There's no attorney that's been signed.
You said a marijuana ticket. Where is that?
That's what I.
No, the documents that I need. My
transport marijuana.
No, not Zurich
I
Oden.
don't see that, Your Honor. I see no insurance, suspended license, expired plate.
Yeah, I got my tickets right here.
Oh, I'll pull up Zurich. There's a Zurich too. This is Zurich Oden.
Yeah, you might be talking about my son. Zurich Jr., my son.
Yes. All right. The matters are in warrant status for purposes of arraignment. Counselor, let's do it again. Let's call the city of Detroit versus, where's the sheet? Zurich Oden. Case numbers SP 1797598, counts 1, 2, and 3. Then we also have, this is probably why he couldn't get his license, SP 1704748, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Oden, please state your name for the record.
Zurich Oden.
These matters, the second set of matters I call are in warrant status, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
We'll recall the warrant. So now he may be able to get a license. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Can I say something, Your Honor?
No, don't say anything. She's gonna help. Okay. Those 2 cases are no insurance misdemeanor and a driving while license never acquired, Ms. Harris. And then from that May 10th stop, he also got a defective equipment and expired plate. All right, Mr. Oden, go speak to Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Your Honor, sorry to bother you. Zurich Oden is a street court graduate for today, this afternoon. I'm not sure why the tickets weren't moved to the afternoon docket. But if you we'll be handling them in street court later today.
Oh, well, I don't know why they were in warrant status too. Street court, we'll take it out of warrant status. All right, well, I'm glad you got those things. Well, he's not to say he's been working. He's done everything this morning. He's went to work, made money, gone on his break, everything. And now he gets his cases heard all in one shot. All right. Do you want this to go where?
To Judge Williams, 2 p.m.
Judge Williams, 2 o'clock. For Odin, Judge Williams, 2 o'clock today, 2 p.m. I congratulate you, Mr. Odin.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm just trying to do the right thing. And I do have my insurance and I got my plates registered. So I learned my lesson.
Judge Williams, 2 p.m. today. Best of luck, all right?
Yes.
Call back
Yes,
at Judge
Your Honor.
Williams,
Thank
2 p.m. today. You have a Zoom ID, don't you?
I meet them in person.
Yeah.
Oh,
I gotta
okay, very
leave
good.
work. Yeah.
Very good. All right. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Let's pass that. That'll conclude that matter. Let's go with Ms. Harris, the City of Detroit versus Terry Lee Leggett, case number SP 1784747, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1784750 Appearance for the record, please.
Terry
Cherica
Leggett.
Harris and Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Leggett.
All right, Mr. Leggett, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Look at this. Look at this one case here. Speeding ticket. I had a speeding ticket back in June. It was in default. 21 to 25 over. I know it's a little while now, but I wouldn't have the issue with setting it aside.
Yeah, I'm paying.
The city has no objection to it. Mr. Leggett, join the breakout room. Speak to Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. On Laurie, Mr. Patel, are you there? Where did Mr. Patel go? Oh. Let's go back on the record with Brantley. Mr. Brantley, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client gonna do?
Your Honor, I need to speak with Mr. Grantley back in the breakout room for a moment.
All right, Mr. Brantley, I'm gonna help him out. Rejoin the room, okay? All right, he's in there, Mr. Berry. Mr. Laurie,
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
how was your conversation with Mr. Patel?
It went well. He was explaining to me that he sent me a link concerning the programs, and I kind of expressed to him that I just wanted this case to be over with. So he kind of understood that we didn't want it to intertwine with the housing situation, with the case. So I don't know if that makes sense. So I would just
So
explain.
are you gonna join his program or not?
Well, I mean, he gave me information, so for me to dig a little deeper, give me time to develop some insight towards the program. But he understood that I had other dilemmas that I need to focus on, and everything was to take time. So I just expressed to him that I just wanted to get this day over with, or get this court case over with, and
Let's
just.
get Dupree back in here. I'll see if I can. I'll see if I have his number.
month.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leggett. Mr. Leggett, oh, wait a minute. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Leggett. Mr. Leggett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
It's my understanding my client is going to admit responsibility to the amended count of speeding 6 to 10 over with the remaining matters dismissed.
You want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, we stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
All right, with that stipulation, file your client responsible for the amended count of 6 to 10. $135, other matters dismissed. When can you pay it?
Can I get 30 days, Your Honor?
December 18, 2025, paid at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Tamika Denise Granberry, case number SP 154-8842, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 179-5041, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 179-50861. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Granberry, please state your name for the record.
Tamika Granberry.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. It was Officer Baker that took your car? Or Valenstein?
Valenstein.
Yeah, all right. Get you in the breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room, or let us know what you want to do when you come up. Let's pass the map. That's Lewis, that's Juanita Lewis.
Said she needed the date.
Her phone, what?
Her phone was active.
It wasn't acting up when she asked me, when was her term? It wasn't.
It probably was.
Mr. Patel, I think we already got that answer. I'm sorry. Mr. Laurie says he's gonna go and deal with his matters on his own.
Yes, sorry about that.
Sorry about that. I didn't. Have a good day. I appreciate you coming in so quick.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grantling. Mr. Grantling, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea of failure to display and the other matters to be dismissed.
All right. All right. I swore him in, didn't I?
Yes.
And we talked about your rights, right?
Yes.
You understood those rights, right?
Yes.
All right, let me draw your attention back to September 3rd, 2025, around 3:23 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and Eastwood. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I have nothing on me. Nothing.
Find your client guilty to the amended count of failure to display, $240 fine. Dismiss the other matters on stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, 240. When can you pay, Mr. Granley?
Can I pay like pay it on pay plan like every $50 like every week or $75 every week?
I'm gonna mark and file allowed payment plan. December the 18th. Either pay it by then or get into a payment plan. You gotta come down to the court to get into the payment plan, or you can come down to the court and pay it, or you can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. All right, so do one of the two, okay, by December 18th, all right?
Okay, so it will be on there tomorrow?
Yes, it'll be on there tomorrow.
Okay.
And you can come on down and get into the payment plan, or you can pay it off.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Granley, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
All right, you have a blessed one.
You as well. This is the city of Detroit versus Billy Matthias Oving. Case number SP1808968, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Obeng.
Billy Matthias Obeng.
All right. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Obeng, I'm put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. He's in there. Pass the matter.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
I still have Mr. Laurie. I gotta wait back. I gotta wait on Mr. Dupree now.
Okay.
Mr. Dupree thought you were going to the street for.
Yes, Perkins, go ahead, Mr. Mayor. What's the ticket number? SP180.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Granberry. Ms. Granberry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a bench trial / formal hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Granberry, come back on December the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
I'll be here.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
Ms. Harris, this is Mr. Lewis. He's on the 1:30 docket. He came in. See if we can get him an offer. City of Detroit versus Roger William Lewis, case number SP1799820, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Please state your name for the record.
Mr. Roger Lewis, unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name, please.
Yes. Roger William Lewis. Roger William Lewis.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
When entering not guilty plea on your behalf, on his behalf, give a $0 bond. Put you in a breakout room as a driving license revoked, no insurance misdemeanor, and no valid registration. I'll put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated.
I'm not guilty. I'm not taking that charge. I'm not guilty because they took my car. No,
We
they
respectfully
took it
request a trial date, Your Honor.
unwillingly.
Listen, now you've been here before. You know how this works. So no outbursts, please.
Yes, sir.
We'll just set a trial date. He said he's not guilty because they took his car. How does that make it defense for driving while license revoked just because they took your car?
Well, they waited on me to move the vehicle.
I
Then
don't
they
mean
took
what
over
they
and took-
did, and don't talk, because that's your right to remain silent. Go speak to him in a breakout room, but the way he sounds, it doesn't sound like he's got a very good defense. Join the room, pass the matter.
Just had an attorney on Zoom, he had filed the parents. And they gave him a court date, but he never received it. So it's still in fraction time. Attorney Dupree, not Matthew.
So he filed an appearance, and then you have to.
Filed an appearance on 11, he said he never received it, he did it on live.
All right, set this up.
This is granting.
Seeing that lot of these.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Will I be able to speak without the attorney present?
Yeah, if you want to take the trespassing deal, I guess you can.
He gave the plea already concerning the deal.
All right, let's go back on the record, Mr. Raphael Laurie. Mr. Laurie, Mr. Dupree went over all your rights, did he?
Yes, sir. He went over the rights.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You don't have any questions about those rights, do you?
No questions.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Well, I just wanted to make sure that the plea that was on the table still stands with the
Yes, it still
250.
stands. Trespass, 6-month delayed sentence, $240 is gonna be the fine.
Okay, yes, that's fine.
All right, let me draw your attention back to October the 8th, 2025, around 4:56 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 906 West Warren Avenue. What is that place?
I think it's Wayne State.
906 West Warren Avenue?
West Warren?
Yes.
I'm sure.
This is a trespassing ticket.
Yeah, I'm not sure where it was or the ordeal.
No, it sounds like
there was a ticket.
It sounds like it's the Wayne State area. Were you over in that area around that date and that time?
Okay, yeah, so it was Wayne State.
Were you over there around that date and that time?
Yes, sir, I was.
And did you have the legal authority to be there, or did you? Your device is breaking up, sir.
Well, it was a little discrepancy.
It was what?
It was a,
All right, I can't understand.
can you hear me?
No, it's breaking all up.
Oh, hello.
Breaking up, sir.
Yeah, I'm here. Hear me. Okay, Judge. Can you hear me now?
I hear you now. What's over in that area, 906 West Warren?
Yeah, I think on Warren Street, that's Wayne State area.
Yeah, which building is that though? What's at that location?
Well, there's student centers. There's other libraries.
So were you in one of
things.
those buildings on that date and that time?
I was in the library.
Were you asked to leave?
Well, so I ended up leaving my book bag in one of the rooms, and it had all my possessions, and I talked to faculty to see what I needed to do to get my book bag, and she said that there would be no faculty members until the next day. So I kind of lingered around the property just to try to get my book bag because I couldn't leave without my possessions. So the officers, said that, I couldn't stay there.
All right, Mr. Dupree, we're trying to take a factual basis. I was trying to do this without your presence. Mr. Laurie wanted to proceed, but he's indicating that this 906 West Warren, that is a library, Wayne State Library, and he was in there and he left his bag there. And I don't know if the place had closed. Well, yeah, it's 4:30 it's 4:53 in the morning. So
I was trying to wait until the next day so I can get my bag, but the officer said that I couldn't be there, so they gave me a ticket for.
So were you asked to leave?
Well, when the officer showed up, I was trying to explain to them that
were you asked to leave?
No one told me to leave. I was just trying to endure the night so I can get my things for the next day. And the officers came, well, I guess they found out that I was still there, and they came and they gave me a ticket for trespassing.
Well, were you ever asked to leave, sir?
No, sir, no.
So how do you mean that they found out you were still there?
So the janitor lady, she came around that time, and she saw that I was still there waiting for faculty members to show up, and I guess she called the police, and they showed up.
Was the building open? Were you inside the building?
I was inside the building in the waiting room, just waiting for the next day so I can get my things, because it's a library. It was
how long were you in that building?
Just sticking around. Well, they say that the building around 10 o'clock, so I was in there ever since it closed. But I left my book bag in one of the.
From 7 p.m. or whatever time the library closed, all the way up until 4:56 the next morning.
I was in the library. Waiting, because when I found out that my book bag was locked.
You're not answering my question, Mr. Laurie. Look, Mr. Laurie, you were in that building from the time it closed all the way up until 4:56 the next morning? That's
Your
a
Honor,
yes
I
or?
couldn't. I
That's a
was
yes.
I was in I
That's
was
a
in the
yes or
building.
no question.
Yes, I was in the building.
Okay, and in that time you were in that building, all of those hours, no one asked you to leave that building?
No one asked me to leave the building.
And the police just showed up and gave you a ticket for trespassing?
So around that time, there was
Yes
a
or
janitor.
no? And the police just showed up and gave you a ticket for trespassing?
The police showed up and they questioned me and gave me a ticket for trespassing.
All right, what do you want to do with this case, Mr. Dupree? Because he indicated to the court that he was in the library. He left his belongings in the library and he waded into a common area where door was still unlocked or I don't know how it was unlocked, or they locked the door and he never left, or whatever. He waited in this building and until 4:56, the ticket reads, he said that a janitor came upon him and didn't ask him to leave, but just called the police. The police came and the police didn't ask him to leave either. They just wrote him a ticket for trespass.
I mean, so Mr. Lowry, they didn't make any announcements or anything that the library was closing and you were supposed to leave?
Well, no, the particular building was
You've already answered the question, Mr. Lowry. Judge, looks like we need to set this for trial.
All right, we're gonna set it for trial, sir. It's not set for trial today, is it?
No, Judge.
All right.
And Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P70303, and we will be setting all matters for trial today, Your Honor. And I thought it was going to be a no contest plea, but no.
Oh, I didn't know whether it was or not.
That was originally on the
fire ordinance too. All right, so trial date will be January the 5th, 2026 at 9 a.m., Mr. Laurie. We couldn't take a good factual basis.
Well, Your Honor, I don't understand why there's confusion about the matter, but because
it's confusion. So I'm confused how you in this building all the way from the time it closes up until 5 o'clock the next morning. That's what I'm confused about. But the real confusion is you were never, you tell the court that you were never asked to leave this building. And that the people that you came about, the one lady called the police, didn't say anything to you, just called the police. She didn't ask you to leave, the janitor. And then when the police came, they didn't ask you to leave. They just wrote you a trespassing ticket. You said, Mr. Dupree asked you, was there ever an announcement that the library was going to close? You said no, or didn't answer the question.
Well, so I mean, well, Your Honor, I am guilty for trespassing. I mean, evidently they said that the building was closed. I didn't know that there was a particular time for the building to be closed, but the police officer said that the building was closed, and me not being,
the building was supposed to be closed.
And they were saying that me not being a student there, that's what considered me to be trespassing. They asked me for my one card, and I told them that I didn't have any classes there, so I was just a random citizen in one of the Wayne State buildings, and that's why they considered it to be.
I go to the Wayne State Library myself, and I hope this, because I don't have a one card, that if the building closed and I happen to be upon it after it closes, that they don't just write me a ticket for trespassing.
If you're a student, then
Mr.
you have
Lowry,
access to.
Mr. Lowry, it's not trespassing unless either someone told you to leave the property or There were announcements that everyone needed to leave. It's not trespassing unless you were told to leave. You can't accidentally trespass. It sounds like this matter needs to be set for trial. Sounds like all these matters should be set for trial.
All right. December the 5th, keep in contact with Mr. You have his number, his
You would-
contact.
January the 5th, Judge. January the 5th.
January the 5th, I'm sorry, January the 5th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Laurie, Mr. Dupree is going to be in touch with you, okay?
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, sounds good.
All right, come back January 5th. Best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Mr. Lewis would like a trial date, please, and thank you.
All right, trial date. December the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. I hope Mr. Lewis doesn't come with that defense about what he was starting to say on the day of trial, but we'll see. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lewis, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Judge, we're on mute.
Yeah, we were on mute.
Oh,
Are we ready on Obing? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Obing. Mr. Obing, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client was able to show a valid registration, but we had trouble pulling up insurance. He says he's able to bring the insurance down to the courthouse on Friday, the court permitting.
Come on Friday, the 21st at 8:30, Mr. Obing. Bring the insurance and the registration, please, okay?
Okay, Judge, can I say one thing though?
What do you need to say?
I was on the phone with him with a Progressive. They told him I had two insurance on my both cars, but the car that the police pulled me over, that I was driving, the car is on its way to Africa. It's on the ship. I get documents to show that the car is not in America, but he don't want me to show that. He said he want me, but I can bring it to the court 23rd. I can bring it in the morning.
That's all you got to do, Mr. Obing. Bring the insurance, please.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Friday, the 21st, 8:30. Best of luck to you.
Okay.